Hi, this is my latest website adventure. It's called Gen X International, meaning the Generation X, the millennial children. That's what it's focused on. Anyways, my homepage, there's a motivational page here which shows you quite a bit of really good motivational videos. Then over here will be the sidebar. This will be telling everybody about who Gen X is and why Gen X is here. This is educational. This will be for any educational information that you're looking for, books, how to take an SAT test, just anything available. This is for financial planning, financial tools, teach you how to balance a checkbook and everything to buying a car. Social media, why do we have it? What's it doing to our generations? Mind and body, how to balance both, and where are we going in the future? And this be a lot about technology.